Mold Squad Restoration, 312-607-8225. You can visit us at www.moldsquadusa.com. Today we're doing a concrete demolition project here in Chicago on the north side near, I want to say, Lincoln and California. As you can see, the whole entire floor is being ripped up. The reason why the floor is being ripped up is because of the fact that it's just so uneven. It's just cracking, it's lifting, and as you can see where we already broke this up at, the concrete isn't as thick. It's probably about a good 2 to 3 inches, probably just 2 inches. That's the reason why it's it's pushing up the way it is. The groundwater pressure is just lifting that weak concrete up. For example, you check this out here, you hardly could see it, but let me fix angles. But you can see the concrete cracking and breaking here. It is so uneven. It's lifted on one side. Other than that, you can see where it's cracking horribly. So we had to come in here and do the floor. We just started today. We already got half done. We were using this big jackhammer with this huge air compressor that we have hooked to the trailer here. This baby right here will get the job done. Mold Squad Restoration, 312-607-8225. Today we're just doing, we did asbestos removal here, and the guy contracted us out to do the concrete, and we also provide general construction services. But this bad boy right here is what gets the job done. So 312-607-8225. Concrete demolition, concrete restoration.